Hello guys, welcome back to another Linux tutorial in No Tech No Future. In today's video, let's see how to mount NTFS drive in Ubuntu. Ubuntu normally uses ext, ext4 and FAT32 file systems. If you have been dual booting Windows and Ubuntu in a single machine, you may have wanted to use a Windows drive in Ubuntu. Windows uses NTFS file systems. Here you can see which systems are the partition 3 and the partition 7. These two partitions are Windows partitions. I have installed the OS in the partition 3 and another secondary drive is the partition 7. So let's see how to mount NTFS drive and access it via Ubuntu. You can also see the partitions in an app called gparted. You can install it from Ubuntu repositories. Here you can see this NVMe 0N1P3 is my C drive and this P7 is my D drive in my Windows operating system. And these file systems are BitLocker encrypted, so it's showing BitLocker, else it would have shown like NTFS for you. Since I have encrypted is using BitLocker, it is showing BitLocker in the file system. Another way to see the partitions is type this command sudo fdisk-l. It will list the drives and partitions attached to the system. Since I know the size of the C partition and the D partition in my Windows drive, I would look for it. You can see here the 45.5 GB is the Linux system and the 50 GB is the Microsoft Basic Data. This is the C drive and another 250 GB Microsoft Basic Data is the D drive in the Windows operating system. So you note down the partition name /dev/NVMe0N1P3. So in this case I am going to mount this partition. So once you copy the partition name, you should type this command. You need to make a directory to mount the drive. Type sudo make-dir /media/ whatever name you like. So we'll be mounting the drive in this directory, and then type sudo mount -t NTFS and the partition name you copied and the directory you created. When you type this command, it will usually mount the NTFS drive. Since this is a BitLocker encrypted drive, it is showing that NTFS signature is missing. If you have followed these steps, it would have mounted the NTFS drive. You can go and check in the file explorer. It would show that NTFS drive mounted like a USB drive. So thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe my channel.